Just on the bottom alone, you can see that. Look at this.
Hey everybody, it's Eric with Precision Pressure Wash. Today we got our first commercial job on video. You're not going to want to miss this one, guys.
Alright y'all, made it to the job. We're in Celebration, Florida today with this one. As you heard, it's our first commercial job on the channel, so let me show you what we got. Alrighty, so here we are. If you've ever been to Celebration, live around here, you'll know exactly where we are, as you can see. So what we got is they called us up, got this job off of Google. We're gonna be cleaning that sign right there. Big Orlando Suite Hotel sign. You can see it's dirty. Obviously we'll get you a closer up shot. But called us up, got us off Google, and they want us to clean that thing.
All right, y'all, we're up here at the building filling up. I'm not gonna get too close up there because they got music blasting, and I know that's a no-no. But here we are, guys. We're set up right here in the front, getting our water. Then we gotta go way over there by that sign. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we are. We're about to get started. I've got the drop stick in the chlorine. Got my other drop stick in the eliminator. Now I'm coming over here. I'm probably gonna set my soap on 1, water all the way, and I'm gonna go, it's like, I don't know, man. I don't want to tear nothing up, but I don't want to be here all day. So I'm gonna go with the 3. We'll probably get that through the line and do a little test piece and see what happens. So stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, and like I said, I'd get y'all an up closer shot, and here we are. See, we got a little ladder set up. We were testing just how much we'd be able to reach with each ladder. But I mean, we come up here, and you can see, just on the bottom alone, you can see that. Look at all this. You can see comes all the way to this corner. Something we're gonna have to be careful of. If you look up in there, look at those guys, man. Look at those wasps. Yellow jackets, I don't know what they are. I think they're wasps. You do not want to play with those things, man. You're gonna have to be careful with those. And then if we go out, give you an overview. This is the less dirty of the 2 sides, as you can see there. But it still is dirty. I mean, look at that top corner, you can see it. You can see how dirty this thing is. And come around to the dirty side. Look at that. That thing is nasty. I'll get up on the ladder so y'all can get a good look at it. Look at this. Lichen. Look at all that. This is a big old sign, y'all. But you can see it needs cleaning pretty desperately. See it all there. Then I'll get down and I'll give y'all another final overview of it. And there she is. I'm just gonna zoom in on that top right corner because that thing's crazy. There it is, look at that. That is dirty up there. So we got some work to do, y'all, so make sure to stay tuned. All right, y'all, we just hit a test piece right here. You can see we hit about half the word of hotel, and I mean, you can see the difference there already. That green is popping. The white looks clean. You see the underneath. Things also clean. So it's looking good so far at the 3%, y'all. We'll keep you updated. Alright, y'all, we haven't done much talking to you this video. It's really just been a lot of spraying it on and washing it off.
Mostly just spraying it on.
Yeah. I mean, you can see it now. Look how shiny that white is. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all a little update.
Guys, I could have probably went hotter, but I'm scared. I don't want to F up, so it took multiple coats. I think it was three and a quarter is what we ran with.
Yep. And as you can see, after numerous coats, it took care of it. It did its job. So just wanted to give you all an update. We're getting close to wrapping it up now, so stay tuned. All right, y'all. This baby's wrapped up. Looks fantastic, man. First ever commercial job on the channel. Couldn't really have came out any better.
Many more to come.
Yep. All right, so since I'm already here, I'll go ahead and I'll give you the before shot and the after shot of the dirtiest side of this entire sign. Look at that. You see that in the top right, that little yellow design that's supposed to be there. It is a little faded, obviously, because the sign's fairly old, but looks good. I'll give you all a before and after video of me walking under here, so you can see this difference. Look at that. Looks very good. And then on to the other side. The side wasn't as bad, but it definitely needed a cleaning as well. And you see it there. Look at that before and after. That is awesome, guys. This side as well. The hole underneath, all clean. This lattice wasn't too dirty to begin with, but it also needed a cleaning. Got it done. So thank you everybody for watching. So thank you all for watching. All of our loyal fans, Big Danish, Randy TWA, and a lot of other people, thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope y'all enjoyed. As always, this has been Precision Pressure Wash. We are in Celebration, Florida today. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.